important cofactor in manufacturing energy. Energy is a key to staying healthy and to enjoying life. The body requires food to be used to make cellular energy, which is needed to perform all its functions, including work, exercise, and daily activities. Energy is also necessary for repairing, building, and maintaining cells and body tissues. NAD+ is necessary to make that energy. The cells have a wide spectrum of work to perform, and the energy is needed for all important tasks, including keeping the mind alert and having a good memory, keeping the heart beating, performing immune system functions, maintaining healthy muscles, and breathing. What is NAD+? NAD+ is short for Nicotinamide Adenine Dinucleotide, which is a molecule found in all living cells of the human body. The molecule, NAD+, is necessary for metabolism to convert the fuel from food into cellular energy to provide the power for the muscles to contract and blood to circulate. NAD+ is the jumpstart for repairing damaged DNA and is critically needed during the aging process. A rich source of NAD+ is found in some varieties of fish like tuna, salmon, and sardines. Why is NAD+ important? NAD+ helps to generate ATP energy, which is important for brain health, cardiovascular health, respiratory health, sleep, repairing DNA, protecting against cellular oxidative stress, slowing down the aging process within cells, immune system health. Tidbits of knowledge on some NAD+ benefits. Anti-aging. It is known that oxidative stress has a major role in the decline in the aging process, having an effect on biochemical and physiological functions. It has been shown that healthy levels of NAD+ have a positive impact on the brain, protecting neurons within the central nervous system and helping with cognitive function and keeping the brain sharp and alert while reducing oxidative damage. Sleep. NAD+ is key during sleep since it helps to regulate circadian rhythms and the sleep-wake cycles. This in turn helps sleep and daily activities to improve. When circadian rhythm is interrupted, the result is that one will have sleep or waking problems and also problems with the digestive system. Muscles. NAD+ is also key in the development of skeletal muscle. With aging, many become interested in keeping their muscles strong. One may take for granted that the strength of skeletal muscle is necessary for good posture, everyday mobility, and breathing. Skeletal muscles require a great deal of energy to perform their functions. NAD+ has a major role in making energy and is needed to metabolize the glucose and fatty acids utilized by skeletal muscle. It's been shown in research that decreased levels of NAD+ is detrimental to the health of muscles. Cardiovascular system. It has been shown that normal levels of NAD is beneficial to the heart, blood pressure, and keeps blood vessels flexible and pliable. In summary, NAD+ is a critically important molecule in the body necessary for overall health and is worth investigating the best ways to keep its levels maintained.